Hello guys, and welcome to another video where I'm going to be showing you how to create Tokyo street style effects, which is as displayed on your screen. So this is kind of effect to be creating. All you have to do is to go to higgsfield.ai here, and once you do that, you would see a whole lot of effects that you can create, video, camera and image effects accordingly. So just go to the Higgsfield Soul area, which is the image effects area, where you can actually create the Tokyo street style by clicking on it, and then you will be brought to a page like this where you can recreate any of this image for free. I mean, there's a whole lot of you can do with this. You can pose as if you're in that particular country, whereas you're not. So just click on the image, any image that you like to recreate, and let's assume I want to recreate this. I'll just go on, click on it, and you can click on the recreate icon where you so once you click on it, you would see the prompt used to create that image. You can go on to modify that prompt and actually create that image. Now this is a casually poised woman that stands mid step on a sun-dappled, gently sloping street near Koenji. So all of this is how what was used to create that particular image. So you can actually just change this to a woman. You can change the color of her shirts. You can change her shorts or her trousers or anything. You can even add your character. Yeah, this is another. You can add your character so that you just the woman in the question just be replaced by your character. And you can also go on to add whatever thing you want to add. So once your image is created, you can click on this area here to modify it to make it into a video or add speech to it, and then proceed to download. And for the resolution, there are actually two resolution models. You can click on high, which will generate your image with 2 credits, and you can click on the basic, which will generate your image with a single credit, which is also very good. So depending on what you want to achieve. So you can also click on the aspect ratio to change it to what the other ratios that will be more suited for your project. And once you're done, click on generate, and your image will be ready for you within few seconds. So let me know if you have any questions as regards this particular image effect in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, please do not forget to subscribe as we are actively trying to grow. Thank you very much, and do have a great day, guys.